Hi, welcome to Today's Travel. Today we are in Toronto, Canada. We're going to visit Kensington Market, which is a melting pot of food and sights and sounds. Welcome to Today's Travel. We're in Toronto. We are in Colombia. We are everywhere. We're in Kensington Market. You can get horchata, you can get Jamaican beef patty, you can get anything. It's hopping here. It's Pride Day. But on the weekends it's always busy. There's a lot of things happening. They closed off the streets. Guess there was a football game, and it's very busy. Here, lots of acts happening everywhere. It's all closed off. You can get drinks, get arts and crafts, cold water, beer. Lineups, street food, 4 tacos for 20 bucks. Cannabis is legal here in Canada. This goes on for a while. Delicious burgers. Something going on in this corner is hopping. An alleyway party? It's so weird. This is Kensington Market. Anything happens. So weird. It's a popular song and people are singing. Popular patty place there. Good place for a patty or two. Hot dog, pizzas. I hear music coming by. Let's see what's happening here. It's a beautiful day, end of June. Summer is the time to come to Toronto. Oh man, what's going on? This one has been around for a while. Pupusas. Hello, my friend. Brazil. Hey. Oh, my friend. YouTube. Hey, I get a fork too. Here. Here. Oh, yeah. Spicy. Ah, nice.
Try it.
Hey.
Nice flavor.
Good. Make sure you come to Parola Supermarket. Pupusa. Yes. It's the most ethnic, diverse country, city probably in the world. Here we can see prices. Get some cherries, $2.99. Bananas, strawberries are cheap, $1.99. Ooh, pineapple, that's cheap. A lot of vintage clothes shops. That's what Kensington Market was before. and now it's branched off to street food. Get some mojitos. See, this is the vintage area. You can smell cannabis everywhere. You get the Victorian old houses, now retail, selling vintage clothes. Quite interesting. Toronto's known for their Victorian houses downtown. Vintage clothes, $5, $10, no trying on. This is Hindu temple. Tibetan village. And you're on the edge of Chinatown now. Okay, this is wrapping up our tour of Kensington Market in Toronto, full of bars, lots of places to eat and hang out on patios. There's the famous tree, there's a car, and they made it into a planter. Popular place, Wanda Pie in the Sky. Here we got another. We are right beside Chinatown, downtown. So it's very convenient. Do Chinatown and we can come here. Toronto has one of many Chinatowns. Don't worry if you come to Toronto, you don't speak English, it's no problem. Lots of restaurants, cafes for you to hang out. A lot of Latin American food here. Tacos. Need sunglasses? Come here. Sure, they're only a few bucks in Southeast Asia. A lot more here. This guy's drawing here. There you can see you are downtown. CN Tower is right behind there. All walkable. Toronto is a very walkable city and very friendly and safe. It's a hipster, used vintage clothes. Let's take a quick walk through this place and let's see what types of food you can get here. Happy hour, that looks pretty sad. We got some funky stuff and some weird stuff. Mochi donuts. A lot of stalls here today. A lot of people wearing Canada jerseys. Oh, what's this? A market? Oh, this used to be a different store here. And now it's a market slash food court. Here you got lots of things. Tamarind tomatas. You got some jerk chicken. You got everything. It's Toronto and you don't have to speak English. And these are real locals eating real local food. Chili con chile food. Hello, my friend. This is Mexican food. We got some mochi donuts, and we're back out here again. It's a hopping place, happening place, the real Toronto. Come here. Better than the distillery district. Get some tacos here. Guy makes them 3 for 18 bucks. Wow, pricey. Let's see what's in here. It's a little bit of flea market. I feel like I'm in South America with all this graffiti. Just a lot of vendors. We got chorizo, choripan with chimichurri. What's this one? Great city. And you even got Speedy Gonzalez there. Ciao. Make sure you like and subscribe to Dave's Travel. Coming from Toronto, Canada. We have left the Kensington Market area and now we're approaching Chinatown. It's at the edge. And you can see downtown's right there. Very compact city. One day we'll do a Chinatown tour. But we'll wait for that until next time.
Right here, whatever this is.
This is the heart of Chinatown. We're at Dundas and Spadina, and here you can see how close downtown is.